In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change preferences in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to make Bluebeam work the way you prefer. First, open Bluebeam Revu. Once the program is up, you're on the main interface where your toolbars, panels, and workspace are visible. Everything we're about to change lives behind the Preferences window, which is where Bluebeam centralizes its app-wide settings. Next, head to the Review menu at the top and choose Preferences. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+K to jump there instantly. This opens a separate window with a list of categories on the left and detailed options on the right. Think of this as your control center for how Revu looks, behaves, and remembers your choices. Now browse through the categories. In general, you'll find options that affect the overall experience, things like interface behavior, file handling, and measurement units. If you want Bluebeam to open files in a certain way, or to use specific units by default, this is where you'll set it. The markups section is all about how your comments and annotations behave and appear. You can choose default colors and line weights, set your author name for markups, and tweak snapping behavior so your markups align neatly with content. If you mark up documents all day, small adjustments here can make your workflow noticeably faster and more consistent. In Tools, you'll customize how drawing and annotation tools behave out of the box. This can include default properties for shapes, text, and lines, and how tools remember your last used settings. If you find yourself repeatedly changing a tool's appearance, save time by setting the defaults here so they're ready the moment you switch tools. As you adjust settings, take your time and read the descriptions next to each option. Many items have tooltips when you hover over them, explaining what they do in plain language. Make changes that reflect how you actually work, whether that's precision-focused takeoffs, quick reviews, or detailed markup sessions. If you're unsure about an option, try a small tweak and test it. You can always come back and refine it later. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to save and apply the changes. OK commits everything you adjusted in one go. If you change your mind, cancel will close the window without saving. Some changes may take effect the next time you open Revu, so don't be surprised if a few items update after a restart. That's it. With preferences set to your liking, Bluebeam becomes faster, clearer, and more personalized to the way you work.